Welcome to our channel. Today we how to integrate Mailchimp with Softr. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To integrate Mailchimp with Softr, start by logging into your Softr account. Once logged in, navigate to the settings panel on your dashboard. In the settings menu, look for the integrations section. Click on integrations to see a list of available options. Find Mailchimp in the list and select it. You will be prompted to connect your Mailchimp account. Click on the Connect button. A new window will open, asking you to log in to your Mailchimp account. Enter your Mailchimp credentials and log in. After logging in, you will see a prompt to allow Softr access to your Mailchimp account. Grant the necessary permissions by clicking Allow. Once connected, return to your Softr dashboard. Now, navigate to the section where you want to collect email signups. Add an email collection block to your page. In the block settings, look for the Mailchimp integration option. Select your desired Mailchimp audience from the drop-down menu. Customize the email collection form as needed. Once you're satisfied with the setup, save your changes. Preview your changes to ensure the email collection block is functioning correctly. Test the integration by submitting a test email through the form. Now, check your Mailchimp account to verify that the test email has been added to your audience. If everything is working, you're all set. You've successfully integrated Mailchimp with Softr. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.